everybody, welcome back to the Average Kitchen.
Today is a kids takeover.
Hit it with the intro.
Today we're making banana bread.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs.
This is all our ingredients and the oven's preheated.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notifications bell. Now we got our stand mixer. I'm gonna pour in the bananas. Now that's done. Now we should pour in the flour. There, that's done. Now we're gonna pour in some sugar.
Right now we're gonna pour vegetable oil and now the cinnamon and now this vanilla.
Now we got our 2 bags. We're each gonna crack one into these bowls. And make sure you have no eggshell. Now we're gonna pour our eggs into the mixer. That's done. Now we're gonna pour in these. There, that's done. So now we're gonna turn our stand mixer on slow. There. Now that's gonna slowly mix up. So now we're gonna put the speed a little higher. Now we got our spatula. Now we're gonna scrape the sides so we can get everything to pour it into our bread pans.
Now we're gonna add my favorite ingredients, the chocolate chips.
Look out the window.